Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Inovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals with healthy options, driving directions around Jamaica's self-care, home care, and so much more. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Subscription is free, so all you need to do is press that red arrow at the bottom of the video. Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Inovi. Today we are going to Hope Gardens. That's one of my favorite places in Jamaica, and it is so beautiful. So I'm driving through Liguanea to reach there. So now I'm on Hope Road coming from Halfway Tree. I will link the video where I already did that journey from Halfway Tree to Liguanea. But I will still just continue this drive until we reach up there so you can see. So we're on Hope Road now, and then we're gonna go through Liguanea, go up further where we go over to Old Hope Road. So in Liguanea, that's where Hope Road joins Old Hope Road, and we drive up to Mona Heights side, like you're going towards the University of Technology, or you can also drive that side to go to the University Hospital of the West Indies, or you can also go to the University of the West Indies from that side. But the main entrance to the University of the West Indies is on Mona Road, not on that road, but you can there's an entrance that side too. So passing Chilitos, Jamaican restaurant, Bridget Sandals, popular leather sandals place in Jamaica. Got some restaurants on your left. Oh my goodness, this thing jerking up. So we don't have potholes, but because they patched the roads where they had potholes, it's a little higher than the normal road, so you're gonna have some bumps, a little bumpiness on the road. We're passing Sovereign Center. We did that video already where we did a tour of inside Sovereign Center. Today is a Sunday, so I'm going to a baby shower. I've always wanted to go up to Hope Gardens to do a tour, the drive to go up there on a tour, but it has always been a bit rough on my weekends to get up to this side. So this is the intersection now, Matilda's Corner, where Barbican Road meets Old Hope Road, which meets Hope Road. So it's always been bumpy. We have a lane plaza on your left. Sugar and Spice is here. You get tasty patty and the cake. So Sugar and Spice is the pastry section of the whole tasty group, and they do they have a very simple but very nice cake. Their chocolate cake and their plain cake is very nice, and they just put a nice thin layer of icing on it. I think their plain cake is my favorite plain cake. That's the only cake I can just get up and eat some cake, you know. I would have to really feel for cake to eat cake. But with their cake, I will just, anywhere I go and see it, I want it. We have another little plaza on the left with a Domino's, and on the right we have, that's where you turn to go back around if you want to go to the American Embassy. KFC on your right. You have Jamaica College up this side too on your left. And you have the Chinese Venables cow pastures, and it can also take you right back to Barbican Road. You can use it as a shortcut. Agriculture and commerce and fisheries. Rural Agricultural Development Authority, that's RADA. Hope Botanical Gardens, also known as the Royal Botanical Gardens, is a 200-acre park and gardens located in the Ligunaea Plains in St. Andrew, Jamaica. It houses some of Jamaica and the Caribbean's endemic and exotic botanical collections and is the largest public green space in the Kingston metropolitan area that's in Jamaica. Here on your left, United Church, Hope United Church on your left. This is the next entrance into Hope Gardens. Hope Gardens has a rich history dating back more than 300 years and was part of a large parcel of land granted to English officer Major Richard Elliotson Hope, who helped capture Jamaica from the Spanish in 1655. In the 17th and 18th centuries, Hope was a sugar estate and water from the Hope River was used to turn estate mills. The Hope Aqueduct was built for that purpose. In 1766, Richard Hope arranged for Kingston to be supplied with water from the estate. In the 1840s, the 234 acres of the estate bordering on the Hope River was sold to the city of Kingston, and the city's water was eventually drawn from this land as part of a publicly owned system. The gardens were established in 1873 from a section of this estate. Oh guys, I forgot the camera wasn't on. I went through the main gate, so I'm going to a place called Birdstand Gazebo. I just passed in an area where you can come in and park, and there are a lot of little gazebos up here you can hang out. So she said I must go through this main entrance. It locked at 6 p.m. Opening and closing at 6 p.m. Afternoon, I'm going to a baby shower, Birdstand Gazebo. What's it? Alright, thank you. The lighting is good because it's about 4 o'clock in the evening, but you can see how beautiful up here is. Some really majestic trees up here. And I can drive good over there, so. Oh, I had no idea up here was the packed on the sun. Today, of particular interest is the Cassia siamea grove by the main entrance, which was planted in 1907, and the other many gardens within the park, notably the cacti garden and its rare varietals, the bougainvillea walk with its magnificent explosions of tropical colors, the annual garden, the numerous species of exotic flowers, the sunken gardens. You can come to the nursery and you don't have to pay when you're going to the nursery. There's a nursery up here, you get beautiful flowers. On the visit of Queen Elizabeth II to Jamaica in 1953, Her Majesty was impressed by the beauty and variety of the botanical collection and bestowed the designation of Royal, resulting in the Royal Botanical Gardens, which is another name used to call Hope Gardens. There are many rare and beautiful species of tropical plants and trees in the gardens, including the hibiscus elatus, that's a blue maho, which is the national tree of Jamaica. The Chinese garden on your left. Most of the plants or trees found in the gardens originally came from a French ship captured on its way from Mauritius to Hispaniola in 1762. Among the features of the Cassia Simone Grove by the main entrance that was planted in 907, a palm avenue where sago palms are among the oldest living trees, a cacti garden with rare varieties. Other attractions include a zoo, a lake, and a fountain. Over the years, the facility has become a popular site for picnics, exercise, concerts, and learning about nature, and many other events, providing a haven for persons living in the capital city. Jamaicans are also able to access this place for wedding photos, yoga sessions, corporate events, and meetings. More than one people visit the gardens every year to experience calm outside of their busy lives and embrace family bonding. Fun here, so. When we were kids, we used to have fun land where we had a lot of rides. We used to come on school trip and really enjoy ourselves. The Harmonious Enjoyment Garden, referred to simply as the Chinese Garden, is a gift to Jamaica from the Chinese government for Jamaica's 50th year of independence, and it was opened 19th of August 2015. The pebbles and alabaster tiles came directly from China. It took 17 months for 19 Chinese and 11 Jamaicans to construct it. It is on 11 acres. The Peace Garden is a gift from the road trip club of St. Andrew and is meant for people to have mediations and conflict resolution. The Friendship Garden was donated from a member of the Indian community. They have also the Sunken Garden, the Pavilion Garden, which is used for weddings, and the Lily Pond. A gazebo is also in every space where people can hold functions. They also have the plant nursery where you can go and buy plants. And there's an old overseer's house, which is a national heritage site. And you also have the annual garden. So I'm gonna take a little walk over to this side. You have different little pockets of places so people can have like a function and everybody have their space. I guess basically you're free to roam. I see tents around the place. I don't know what's going on over that side. Beautiful, beautiful trees. Palms, lots of palm trees. Very beautiful. So, I'm gonna see if I can walk and come back over this side. So these, you have to be so careful because you have people, couples, coupling up. Like a nice garden. Look at those big palms. Whoa, so beautiful. Look at that. So you see that palm that have that thing that shoot up in the air in the middle right there, right there, right? It's every, I think, 80 years or so. They do that when they're about to die, and a couple of the palms up here are going through that now. There was an article on it. So let me just, there was an article on it in the newspaper. I'll have to double check and see how long it say. So you know that these places are really, really old. But a lot of people don't seem to come up here, like, you know, the majority of Jamaicans, they you know, they're out partying and all over the place. When they, if you want somewhere really relaxing, you could come to a place like this. This looks like a little nursery. Look, this looks like a nursery. Look at that. Look at that. I want to see that. Look at that. So beautiful. Funland. You have the bumper cars over there, and you have the little what is going on over there now? See, they have some little train thing going on in there. Food menu here over Funland. I don't know if it's when it's open or if it's all the time or what. Have the rides and things. Right, is it Funland? Funland. So, apparently they're gonna have some Father's Day thing up here. Father's Day brunch and play. This is where we are. Places. This is the main road, like through here. There's so much going on. There's a Chinese place over there, so I think there's a no entrance sign. I don't think I'm gonna go down there. Okay, so we're going back home. That was a lovely gender reveal. fountain on the left. We'll turn right and go down further. I'm gonna be exiting. Exit. This is where you have some gazebos too, so you can actually park on this side. Back onto Hope Road. So to go to the zoo now, you have to take another entrance. You go through Hope Pastures side. Back to Liguanea. Roads are well lit. So they have a little get together after like a big Sunday dinner. We just had like cake and sandwiches there, but I'm going back home because I have finished sorting out myself for work. Closing the machine, and I need to finish up my chicken and pack my lunches for the week. Prepare to fail. You fail to prepare, you prepare to fail. Make sure we have the lunches ready. Take the left too if you're not going straight down to halfway tree side. You have to take the left at that point to go down to Old Hope Road. We're on Hope Road, so you can take the left at the stoplight to go on to Old Hope Road and go straight ahead to continue on Hope Road to go into halfway tree. So when you're on this road, any left turn straight up to Devon House takes you into New Kingston. When you're on Old Hope Road, and a right turn takes you straight into New Kingston. So it's like a triangle, so they call it the Golden Triangle. watching my video, remember to touch that red arrow at the bottom of the video to subscribe, or you can just touch the subscribe button if you're watching on your TV. Could you please just take up your phone and just find my channel, Natural Living by Inovi, and just subscribe to my channel, please. Subscription is free, doesn't cost anything. And please make a comment, and you can also press the share button and share it to your Facebook page. So thanks again for watching. I know you have many options, so I really appreciate when you take the time out to watch my video. And if you're getting up to do something, you don't have to turn off the phone. Just take the phone with you, or let it just, if you're watching on the TV, let it continue to play. Thanks again, and have a great day. Bye.